Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about meiosis. Already we have seen mitosis. Today meiosis. The term meiosis was coined by farmer. This is the scientist's name, not agriculturist. In 1905, it is the kind of cell division that produces the sex cells or the gametes. It is very important point. It is a kind of cell division that produces the sex cells. Sex cells, sperm, egg. In male, sex cell is sperm. In female, sex cell is gametes. Sex cells are gametes. Male sperm, female ovum. Collectively called gametes. Okay. Sex cells, another one name only gametes. It is also called a reduction division. Meiosis, another one name is reduction division because the chromosome number is reduced to haploid n from diploid 2n. Here 2n. Our cell consists of 46 chromosome, that is 2n, but haploid 23 chromosome. Sex cells consist of 23 chromosome, body cell consists of 46 chromosome. 2n means 46 chromosome, n that is haploid means 23 chromosomes. Meiosis produces 4 daughter cells. Meiosis produces 4 daughter cells from a parent cell. But mitosis produced only 2 cells. The 2 cells also consist of same chromosomes. What parent cell consists? 46 chromosome. Mother cell consists of 46 chromosome. Daughter cell consists also 46 chromosome. 46 chromosomes. Only 2 cells it produced mitosis. But meiosis produces 4 cells, but it consists of 2 divisions. There are only 1 division. Meiosis consists of 2 divisions. They are heterotypic division or first meiotic division, homotypic division or second meiotic division. First we will see heterotypic division. What is heterotypic division? It divides the diploid cell into 2 haploid cells. Okay. Diploid cell means 46 chromosome. One 46 chromosome cell producing 2 cell. The 2 cell consists of 23 chromosome. That only 2 haploid cells. The daughter cells resulting from this division are different from the parent cell in the chromosome number, heterotypic. This is called a heterotypic. This consists of 5 stages. What are the stages? That heterotypic stages: prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1 and cytokinesis 1. These stages inside the cell, that chromosome, some changes happen in the chromosome. Prophase 1. Prophase 1 takes a longer duration and is subdivided into 5 stages. They are leptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and diakinesis. Leptotin. You read this paragraph at the same time. Here given one diagram. Events of meiosis. Leptotin. What is leptotin? You see that picture also. Okay, what are the changes happening? Then only you can understand easily. The chromosomes become uncoiled and assume long thread-like structures and take up a specific orientation inside the nucleus. They form a bucket stage. This stage is called a bucket stage. Next, zygotin stage. Zygon meaning adjoining two homologous chromosomes. What is homologous? One chromosome got from father and another one chromosome got from mother. That is, homologous chromosomes approach each other and begin to pair. Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called as synapsis. What is synapsis? Pairing of homologous chromosomes is called as synapsis. Pachytene passes thick. The chromosomes are visible as long paired twisted threads. The pairs so formed are called bivalents. Each bivalent now contains 4 chromatids. Tetrad stage. You see these pictures. Meiosis 1, meiosis 2. Actually, meiosis takes place meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 is called heterotypic division. Meiosis 2 is homotypic division. You see the meiosis 1. What are the stages? Interphase, prophase 1. You see their chromosomes are there, and what are the changes is taken place. This only we are seeing in the form of sentences. You see metaphase 1, that chromosomes threads, that aster threads are pulling both sides. Anaphase 1, telophase 1, it becomes into one cell, become into 2 chromosomes are equally shared. Cytokinesis, cytoplasm also dividing. And the next bottom picture is meiosis 2. Okay, there you see interkinesis. That prophase 2, what are the changes? Metaphase 2, what are the changes? Clearly is given. The chromosomes inside, fully chromosomes only going here and there. Okay, and at telophase 2, finally cytokinesis. Actually, that meiosis 1, we are getting 2 haploid cells, but meiosis 2, finally we are getting 4 haploid cells. Okay. Homologous chromosomes of each pair begin to separate. They do not completely separate but remain attached together at one or more points by X-shaped arrangements known as chiasmata. The chromatids break at these points and the broken segments may be interchanged. That is called crossing over. As a result, the genetic recombination takes place. Next, diplotin. Each individual chromosome of each bivalent begins to split longitudinally into 2 similar chromatids. The homologous chromosomes repel each other and separate. Chiasmata begin to move. Actually, the joined chromosomes separate and move both sides. Okay, the length of the chromosome from the centromere towards the end resulting in terminalization. Diakinesis. The paired chromosomes are shortened and thickened. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus begin to disappear. Spindle fibers make their appearance. Inside the cell, some thread-like structures we saw, that is spindle fibers. In diakinesis, these changes. In metaphase 1, what are the changes? Okay, in each heading under, we are seeing what are the changes takes place inside the cell. Metaphase 1, the chromosome move towards the equator. What is equator here? The end, the both region. Okay, equator region. Here equator region means terminal region. And finally, they orient themselves and the equator. The 2 chromatids of each chromosomes do not separate. The centromere does not divide. Anaphase 1. Each homologous chromosome with its 2 chromatids and undivided centromere move towards the opposite poles of the cell. This stage of the chromosome is called a dyad. Next, telophase 1. The haploid number of chromosomes after reaching their respective poles become uncoiled and elongated. The nuclear membrane. What is nuclear membrane? Cell inside a nucleus is there. That nucleus is surrounded by a membrane. That membrane is nuclear membrane. Okay. At the same time, cell is surrounded on membrane. That membrane is called a plasma membrane. It is otherwise called a cell membrane. It has another name, that is plasma lemma. Okay. The nuclear membrane and the nucleolus appear and thus two daughter nuclei are formed. Cytokinesis 1. The cytoplasmic division occurs and two haploid cells are formed. Homotypic division. In this division, the two haploid cells formed during first meiotic division divide into four haploid cells. The daughter cells are similar to parent cell in the chromosome number. Homotypic. Homo means same. Hetero different. Okay. Here parent cell also consists of 23 chromosomes. The daughter cell also consists of 23 chromosomes. That's why it is called a homotypic. It consists of five stages. That is prophase 2, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 2, cytokinesis 2. First, in that we saw everything 1. Prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1, cytokinesis 1. In heterotypic division, in homotypic division, we are just changing into 2. Prophase 2, what are the changes? The centriole divides into 2. Each one moves to opposite poles. Asters and spindle fibers appear. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. Metaphase 2. The chromosomes get arranged on the equator. Two chromatids are separated. Anaphase 2. The separated chromatids become daughter chromosomes and move to opposite poles. Telophase 2. The daughter chromosomes are centered. The nuclear membrane and the nucleolus appear. These changes happening in telophase 2. Cytokinesis 2. What are the changes happening in the cell? Listen. Two cells are formed from each haploid daughter cell, resulting in the formation of 4 cells with haploid number of chromosomes. Significance of meiosis. The constant number of chromosomes in a given species is maintained by meiotic division. Constant number of chromosomes in a given species is maintained by meiotic division. What is the meaning? Our cell will have only 46 chromosomes. Who is maintaining? This meiosis only maintaining. Okay. Differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis occurs in somatic cells, that is body cells. What is somatic cells? Body cells. Except sex cells, all the cells, somatic cells only. Occurs in reproductive cells, sperm and ovum. Involved in growth and occurs continuously throughout life. This mitosis. Involved in gamete formation, sperm formation, ovum formation, only during the reproductively active age, in particular age. In male, from puberty to lifelong. In female, only from puberty to up to 50 age. Menarche. Okay. Consists of single division, consists of 2 divisions. 2 diploid daughter cells are formed. 4 haploid daughter cells are formed. The chromosomes number in the daughter cell is similar to the parent cell, 2n. The chromosome number in the daughter cell is just half of the parent cell. Identical daughter cells are formed. Identical means same. Daughter cells are not similar to the parent cell and are randomly assorted. Thank you, student.